In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Tradestation. Let's get you comfortable with the simplest and most precise way to zoom on your chart. Look to the very bottom of your chart window, along the time axis. You'll see a horizontal zoom bar that represents the overall time span available on the chart. It has left and right edges, and by narrowing the space between those edges, you tell the platform to show a smaller slice of time in greater detail. Move your mouse to the left edge of that zoom bar. When your cursor indicates you can resize, click and drag that edge to the right. You'll notice the visible time range above the axis tightening as you move, and candles or bars on the chart will spread apart. That spreading is your zoom in action. Fewer bars on the screen, but each one is larger and easier to analyze. You can achieve the same result by grabbing the right edge and dragging it to the left. Either side works. It's all about narrowing the distance between the two edges to focus on a shorter period. As you drag, keep an eye on the timestamps along the bottom. They provide immediate feedback about the new window you're creating, whether you're honing in on the last few days, hours, or minutes. Release the mouse to confirm the zoom, then fine-tune by nudging one edge or the other a little more until the view is exactly what you need. Small, deliberate movements often give the best control, especially when you're zeroing in on a specific swing, gap, or consolidation. If you've zoomed too far and lost context, no problem. Simply drag one or both edges outward to widen the window again. This approach doesn't change your symbol or your chart's underlying time frame. It only adjusts what portion of that time frame is visible. As the horizontal range narrows, the chart will automatically rescale vertically to keep prices in view, so you can focus on structure, volume clusters, or indicator behavior without manual vertical adjustments. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the chart you want to adjust is active before dragging, and aim for the actual edge of the zoom bar rather than the middle, since the edges control the range. If the chart appears unresponsive, try a gentler, slower drag to avoid skipping over small intervals. With a bit of practice, this becomes a fast, intuitive way to inspect recent price action, validate entries, or study reaction levels with clarity.